Welcome at Otexpertise. We are in a new city, a new apartment. Let me show you around. Welcome to Cambodia. Welcome at La Belle Residence, the place where we'll be staying for the next month here in Cambodia. And can I start this video off with saying how amazing it is that we are in a completely new country and here in the capital city of Cambodia. I'm so excited about this video and this new adventure. So today I'm going to be taking you on an exciting tour through my $450 apartment. We are a bit outside of the busy city center, but still in a very nice and lovely area with full of families, kids playing around on the street, and it's just really nice and beautiful. This area really gives us a great first impression of Cambodia, and I'm so excited to be staying here for the next month. I think, to be honest, one of my favorite apartments that we stayed in this whole last 7 months. So yeah, let's head inside and get started. We have arrived at the second floor, and the only thing more I can say is welcome to our apartment. So what do you think about the living room and the kitchen and the desk space? I think it really is amazing, and I've not even shown you the bedrooms yet. However, first I thought let's show you the balcony. We have a lot of sunshine coming in here, so that's really nice. And we actually have 2 balconies. This is the largest one, and it also has a washing machine, a table, a dry rack. So really everything you could need for a longer stay. For example, we are staying here for a month, and it really has all those necessities in an apartment that you could need. The apartment also has 2 air conditioning units, but a good thing to keep in mind though is that the electricity costs are actually pretty high. So for 4 hours of air conditioning it costs around $1. So you can just do the math. If you have the air conditioning on for the whole day, it will get pretty expensive, definitely if you're staying here for a month. So later in this video I will be telling you more about all the costs of the apartment and staying here. But first let's show you the rest of the apartment and the bedrooms. We are here in the very first bedroom, and we actually lucked out with this apartment so much because in this apartment we actually got 2 bedrooms, so that's amazing. Although this first bedroom is a bit on the smaller side, but it's still very cozy and convenient. So we stored some luggage here that we don't want to get in the other room. But yeah, I think it's very nice, definitely if you're staying with more than 2 persons. So for now let's head over to the second bedroom. This bedroom is definitely one of my favorite rooms of the whole apartment, mostly because the room is just very large and really spacious. We really have everything that we could wish for in a good bedroom. We have an adjoining bathroom as well that I'm going to show you in a bit. But yeah, overall it's just really nice. And with all that natural light coming in, it's a perfect way to start a good morning with getting some sunshine right away. So we're going to head upstairs to the 6th floor, where we will find a rooftop small swimming pool and also the rooftop deck and the gym, and also some of the other pros and cons of staying here at La Belle Residence. When you arrive at the 6th floor or the top floor, the first thing you will come across is the gym. And as you can see, the gym might be a bit older, but it really has all that you need for a complete workout. Personally, I would prefer to have more equipment to be available to get in a full workout the whole week through than having a less workout but better looking workout gear. So yeah, I think this gym actually is a bit perfect if you ask me. And then we arrive at the last thing of this tour, but also my personal highlight, the rooftop. Amazing rooftop, right? I think it's the perfect place to chill and relax after some nice hours of work. So I'm super curious to know your opinions. Let me know in the comments below. Could you see yourself staying here for a month, maybe even longer? Personally, I really think it's the perfect place for anyone who's looking for something to stay for long term, as it's in a nice area. It's the perfect starting point for any adventures here in the capital city, but also a nice spot where you can totally focus on work. And something that really adds to that positive experience is all the lovely people working here at the residence. They really add on to make this experience even better. Something that's a bit different from our previous apartment tour videos is that this time we didn't book our apartment through Airbnb, but we booked it directly through the residence itself. And that made it that we could actually book this apartment for $450 per month. And I think that's such a great and amazing price. It's really cheap if you ask me. Definitely if we compare it to some of the previous apartments that we stayed at. So something that's not included in their price is the electricity cost, and as I told you more about the story with the air conditioning, those can go a bit high, and it's just important that you keep a bit in mind and be smart when and how you use the electricity. However, the owner told us that it would probably be around $20, maybe $30 if we use a bit more of the air conditioning. And something else that's really nice about this apartment or at this building itself is, of course, we have a really nice apartment where we can stay and chill, but also that you have other amenities like with the amazing pool with sunlight throughout the whole day, but also a pool table, and that you have the gym, and there's just so much extra things to do, not only here at the apartment itself. And this is also the very first spot that had a restaurant. So that was the apartment tour here at La Belle Residence. I'm very excited, as you said, and also noticed throughout this video to be staying here for the month. There are coming so many great adventures here in Cambodia. It's a completely new and exciting country for us, so there's definitely so much to explore. I'm also going to be sharing more about digital nomad life here and all the things that you need to think of and some of my tips and recommendations that I will gain here after staying a month. So if you're curious for that and want to stay on top of that, I would definitely suggest to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those upcoming videos. And of course, you can also expect some exciting adventures and more travel related content here in the country, as we're going to do so many fun activities. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope it was useful for you. And of course, also let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about digital nomad life here or the apartment itself. I'm really happy to help. I hope to see you at the next video. Thank you once again. Bye.